Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer door handle. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You will need both a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. A plastic trim removal tool is crucial to prevent any damage to your door panel. Also, keep a small pick tool and a clean cloth handy for the job. These items will ensure a smooth and efficient removal process. Next, we will focus on detaching the inner door panel. Begin by removing the two Phillips head screws that are typically found behind the door handle and armrest. Then, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the window switch assembly. This step ensures you can safely access the handle mechanism. Now let's proceed with removing the outer door handle itself. First, locate the small access plug on the edge of the door, usually near the handle, and remove it. Inside this hole, you will find a Torx screw. Loosen it using a T20 Torx bit. This screw secures the handle. Once loosened, slide the rear section of the handle out, then carefully detach the front portion. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps you just followed for removal. Make sure to securely reattach all electrical connections and properly seat the door panel clips. Test the new handle's operation before fully tightening everything. Remember to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to upgrade your home. A properly installed handle ensures both functionality and security for your Ford Explorer.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.